Hi everyone, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your accountant or bookkeeper to Wave apps. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are possibly migrating to Wave apps. And even so, if you're a new business or if you're a startup or if you're just getting started with your side hustle, Wave apps is an absolute great place to start managing your books or invoices or reportings or sales, profit or losses, whatever you want to call it. But with Wave apps, the first thing that we're going to do is hop onto our dashboard here. And there's not a lot of steps involved, guys, so make sure to stick around all the way until the end. Now, on the upper right-hand side, you want to go ahead and click on your business name and then toggle button. Next, you're going to click on business settings. And then from here, you're going to click on invite user on the upper right hand side. So when you click on invite user, it's going to ask you for some basic information here. First name, last name, email, and then the position. On the right hand side here, you're going to see viewer permissions. So this is best for anyone who needs view only access. So as you can see, if I change the positions here, there's multiple different positions such as partner, co-owner, family member, assistant, tax pro. So in our case, we would actually add our accountant or bookkeeper. And then as far as the roles go, you can select the role that you want them to have. So as you toggle between these buttons here, you're going to see the permissions on the right hand side change. So if you want your accountant or bookkeeper to have admin role, they're going to have full access to everything. But if you only want them to have a viewer role, they're only going to have access to view only permissions. So play around with these roles and toggle between all four different roles. And with that, you're going to see the different permissions change here on the right hand side. But after you input their basic information and once you select their position and once you select their role, you should be able to actually go ahead and invite them. But this right here is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite your accountant / bookkeeper to Wave apps. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.